Look at that, folks. Look at that. Wow. 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 Wow.
A volcano has erupted on the Caribbean island of St. Vincent, forcing thousands to evacuate. After decades of inactivity, La Soufriere started erupting on Friday morning, sending dark plumes of ash and smoke into the sky. The eruption column reached 6 miles high, blocking the sun's morning rays and plunging the area into near total darkness.
It was bright, but then the light began to deteriorate. And it wasn't at a slow pace, it was rapidly deteriorating.
The volcano first started showing signs of increased activity in December. That picked up this week, prompting Prime Minister Ralph Gonsalves to order an evacuation of the surrounding areas on Thursday. Thousands of people then left for safer parts of the island. Others were taken to a cruise ship. Heavy ashfall has since hampered evacuation efforts due to a lack of visibility. Gonsalves said that depending on the extent of the damage, it could be months before the evacuees can return home. La Soufriere last erupted in 1979, and a previous eruption in 1902 killed more than 1,000 people.